Bored of the plain white iMessage background? In iOS 26, you can now add your own photos or Apple's designs to make your chats stand out. First, make sure your iPhone is on iOS 26 or newer. Go to the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and click on General. Tap on Software Update option and install the latest update if needed. Once updated, open the Messages app on your device. Note, you can set a separate custom background for each contact. Here, click on any contact to open. Tap your contact's name at the top. On the Chat Details page, tap the New Backgrounds button. You'll see Apple's preset designs. Tap one to get a live preview behind your messages. If you like it, confirm your choice. For a personal touch, choose Photo instead. Pick something that makes you smile, your pet, family, or a favorite vacation shot, and set it as your chat background. And that's it. Your iMessage now looks uniquely yours. For more iOS 26 tricks to make your iPhone stand out, subscribe.